Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part is a 122 support message delete multiple record using checkbox in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this database name is a real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a lost of table is available, and this my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, in this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this project directory. Inside this open this command prompt means cmd open this project directory. Inside successfully this is a command prompt is open. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server, this is a run PSP artisan server. Please wait. Inside this is a create this link this copy and paste here. This my Firefox browser. Please wait. PSP artisan server, this directory. Inside this writing and enter. PSP artisan server. Please wait. This my project is a run successfully working fine. Let's this URL is a copy and hit this browser. This URL is copy and paste. Inside this is a paste, and inside this is a front end page is available. Step by step admin login. Let's slash admin login. This is a login screen is available. Let's admin gmail.com password is a 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Let's click this support. Inside this checkbox is a implementation. Select in this multiple select and delete is a implementation. Let's step by step implementation checkbox. First of all, this file is open. Admin support file is open. This resource view admin support. This support inside this available list file. This is a list file is available, and this is a table is available. This table, first of all, this is the ID is available. Let's inside this click this delete, and this is a record. Inside this one is a created td save file, and this is a inside this one field is a implementation row. Successfully this is a available delete. Let's inside this checkbox is a implementation. Step by step this checkbox is a implementation. Input type is a checkbox. Name is a not used. This name not used. And inside this value is a use value. Same here value in this database name. This is a value is available $. This is a ID is a implementation, and this class name is a select delete all option. This is a class. Successfully class is a implementation. Please write down, and this is a ID is available. This ID, this two ID is available 2 and 1, and this is a table is available support table. Let's click this support table. Inside this is available. Successfully available 1 2. This is a support ID. This is descending order. Latest order is a top bar. Successfully this is available. This click this only 1 delete, 2 click this is a 2 delete. Let's step by step implementation. This is a successfully set. Please write down this field. Inside less color inside this is a list file is open. List file is successfully open. This is a add button. Inside this is available. Same here copy. This is a add button. This is the add button is a copy. Support list inside this implementation. Successfully implementation. Save file. and refresh this page. This button name is a select delete button. This is the name is a record. Delete button name is a change. Let's step by step. Name is a change. This is the name is a delete name, and this is a not a use. This link is a not a use. Remove this. Class is a use. btn danger. Danger means delete record, and this is a one click is a implementation, and this is a alert show. Please write down one click alert shown, and this is the new id is a create id name is a get delete url. The same name, please write down. This is a write down all implementation. Let's refresh this page and check this. Successfully available, and this is a message sure, are you sure want to delete? No, okay, and this cancel is a redirect. This is a page is a same page is a redirect. This is a good. This is a redirection is a successfully shared. This is a good working. Please write down this write down, and this write down. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is available anytime. Contact. And this my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all link. Let's implementation. This is JavaScript code is a implementation, and JavaScript code is a implementation. First of all, this is scroll down, and this is the admin dashboard. This is the admin is available. Admin inside this is available dashboard. This is the admin dashboard is available. This is the admin dashboard. Inside this name is available. Inside this is a coding is a implementation JavaScript coding, and this is a script is available. Let's inside this new script is a implementation JavaScript, and this last is available. Body tag is available in this close. This is a step by step different. This is available. Let's start script. This same here copy. This name is a copy. This name is a copy. This is a live project name. Copy and paste here. Inside this not available, and this is a same name is available. Let's step by step write down. This name is a copy. This name is available class name, and inside this is a class is a dollar dot class name. Change function, and this paste here function. Variable create variable total, and this is a total variable is a create this JavaScript. Again this same here copy and paste here each function and paste here paste here, and this is a inside this enter, and the same here available if this if inside this is the same here this dot set variable id is equal to dollar this val, and this is the id close, and total plus is equal to id plus, and this set close this, and inside this new variable create variable url is a create. This is a url is equal to this url is a create admin dot support slash item multiple delete. This is item, otherwise message. Any name is a sense. This name is equal to id and this close plus total. This is a total is a implementation total, and close this, and this dollar this is the same name is available inside this same copy and paste here. Inside this is a hash paste dot utter sref url. This is a url. Save file. Successfully, all good. Let's copy this name. Copy inside this web.php. Open route web.php available. Inside this get method is available. This is a get method, not a post method. Only get method is available. Route get method is a implementation. Paste here. Same is a paste here. Support controller copy and class, and this is a paste here. This paste here. Same. Save file. Let's copy this name and the support controller. Open the support controller. Inside the support controller http controller and support controller. This is a support controller is available. Public function paste here. This is a paste here, and this is support controller. Open. Inside this is a request $request. If is empty $request id. Option is equal to explode, and this is a explode id. Forest loop start forest. This is a same here. Copy this, copy and paste here is $id. If is empty $id, $get record is equal to the support model find id $id. Inside this is like same here. Copy and paste here. Delete. Save file. And this is the last is available. The same here available inside this return redirect. This is the same here. Copy and paste here. This is a paste here. Successfully paste, and this is a record successfully deleted. Record successfully deleted. Save file. All implement. This support model is available. This support model. This is a model. Inside this is available support model, and this is a support model, and this is a table is available support table. Good working. This is a implementation. This please write down this function, and the success message is available. This list file open. Inside this is a message file is already included. This is a message file. Inside this is a underscore. This is a message file. This success message is available. Please write down all implementation. Let's check this. Inside this is check, refresh this page, and this is available to record. Inside this is available to record. Let's copy again this copy multiple record is a create. Wait, this multiple record is a create. Go button, click this, successfully copy. Let's check this again copy. This is a copy, and go button, click this. Lost of record is available. This is a click this support table successfully. This is 1 to 8 record is available inside this different way. This is available 1 2 3 4 5 6. Latest record is a top, but this 1 2 record inside this is available. Good one. Let's 5 and 6 delete. Let's select this 5 and 6 delete. Let's 5 and select. Select and select. This is a 2 record is a delete, and click this. Are you sure want to delete? Yes. Okay. And this is a 5 and 6 delete. Please wait. This is a redirection. Successfully record is a deleted. Good working in this 5 and 6 deleted. Let's refresh this page. Inside this deleted. 5 and 6 is a deleted. Good working. This is a deleted. Let's again, this is only phone number is a delete, only phone number and delete. Are you sure? Cancel is not a delete, and this is a delete. Successfully phone number is a delete. Good working. Let's select this phone number, and this is a multiple record is a delete. This is a phone number is a delete. Let's 3788 delete. This three record is a delete. 3788. Let's delete and successfully delete. Successfully delete, and this 3 record is a deleted. Anytime is a delete. Successfully record is a delete, and this is a 2 record is a available. Let's refresh this page. Successfully inside this database is a delete. Write down this all code. Good working. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.